I traveled to Alaska 6 days in the trip with no cell phone service and made a decision. I couldn't talk to anybody on the phone, so before I went, I Googled best trout fishing guide in Juneau, Alaska. And I go all the way to Juneau, Alaska with no cell phone service, trusting this Google review that I've talked to nobody, so it had to jump off the page at me and make me make this decision. I get off the ship in Juneau, Alaska with a cell phone with a picture of a map, and I have to walk for like 3 miles to find this woman parked on the side of the road. And I trusted a Google review that much.